case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1966, a landmark case, Gray v. Zurich Insurance, came before the Supreme Court of California. At its core was Dr. Vernon D. Gray, an insured individual who was embroiled in a conundrum with his insurance provider over an alleged assault. This tussle led to a legal showdown, wherein Gray accused Zurich Insurance of shirking their duty to provide a defense, as promised in his policy. Zurich countered with a defense centered around an exclusionary clause in Gray's policy. Gray, however, contested the ambiguity of this clause, claiming it failed to provide a clear explanation of how the exclusion applied to Zurich's obligation to defend. Initially, courts weighed in favor of Zurich, dismissing Gray's pleas. The Supreme Court delivered a pivotal verdict, reforming the terms of insurance contract interpretation. The uncertainty around the exclusionary clause and the ambiguity of its application to Zurich's duty to defend was held against Zurich. The court took into account the insured's reasonable expectation of protection under their insurance coverage and decreed that the insurer's duty to defend was fundamental. Gray was justified in seeking a defense from Zurich, they held, regardless of the misconduct marked against him. The clincher came in the final pronouncement that the insurer couldn't reduce its obligations based on the insured's finances. Gray was granted the right to full reimbursement of all reasonable expenses. After the ruling, Zurich had the latitude to submit a non-coverage defense without being bound by the judgment. The Supreme Court thus overturned the trial court's decision, instructing a reassessment focused on alleged damages. In the end, the case accentuated the prime role of clarity in insurance contracts, championing the rights of insured individuals like Dr. Gray.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.